In today's equity index futures markets, let's focus on the Dow futures today as they're having a nice session today. We're seeing them up about 30 basis points, over a third of a percent, but that's building on 3 days now of strength. And with today's price action, we're seeing the Dow futures closing at all-time highs, right around the 33,100 level. And when you look at some of the factors playing into, I think, this renewed strength, that rotation trade is, again, serving to be a theme underneath this market, particularly when you look at the cyclical stocks. We did see some strong price action with some of these cyclical stocks that are viewed as going to continue to benefit from the reopening type of environment that the market anticipates we'll find ourselves in the coming months. And the infrastructure idea and the spending stimulus and some of the other measures that are unfolding within the new administration are being viewed as very beneficial to some of these large cyclical names. And that rotation trade pronounced once again today, where we did see, again, the Dow futures up nicely. The Russell futures down about over 2.5% of the day. So quite a dispersion between the Dow futures and the Russell futures. S&P and NASDAQ pretty much unchanged on the day. I think slightly lower as they close out the session, but coming off well off their lows, intraday lows. They were down quite a bit at one time. So even as we move towards the close here today, again, the Dow futures outpaced the other major equity index futures markets. However, we did see the NASDAQ futures and the S&P 500 futures rally off their lows. Not so much for the small caps when you look at the Russell futures, as they've closed down better than 2.5% on the day.